Hello viewers! This is an entirely new solution, never discussed before, works great and earns a commission on automation. If you haven't signed up yet and still enjoy Make Money Online videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so we will let you know when we have new and exciting Make Money Online strategies. Everything else has to set up first, so pay attention to every step. Let's start with step 1, which is to register at ultronvip.me, which will assist you in making money on autopilot. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn how to correctly set it up. If you don't follow those steps, this may not work for you, so be diligent and pay serious interest towards every step of this video. Step 1 is to sign up for it. Step 2. Once you log in, you'll be able to create new campaigns and start directing traffic to certain links. I'll explain how it works in detail later, but first provide your campaign a name. After that, input only one keyword that is related to your chosen area. If you put in more, it won't function. For example, your chosen area is all about finance. Simply enter one word that is related to your campaign and click Start. We have to wait for a minute, and it will show how many possible clicks I can have on my referral link or affiliate links, and I'll be able to determine whether I can earn profit or not. If I click on the key terms related to my campaigns, I may see how many people have clicked my affiliate link. You don't need to market all of them. You only need a few of them to buy to generate a profit. They also have several done-for-you videos that you can use to earn extra profit and enhance your results. You will notice this training section on the left, where they'll walk you through every step about how to use all of the benefits of this deal and all of the features that this bot has to offer. Basically, we can just send targeted traffic to whatever URL we want, and it only takes one click. Step 3. Now that you have the traffic source running on autopilot, you'll need some resources to promote in order to earn money. And one of the best options is to use either ClickBank or Digistore. Both Digistore24.com and ClickBank.com are completely free, so you can sign up in about 1 minute, log into your account, and get started with your money right away. By clicking on the marketplace right here, you can see how much money you made today and then locate different offers to promote. You can choose any category in any area you want. It doesn't have to be in any certain demands, so you can use whatever you want. For example, you have chosen business and investment. After you have decided on a topic, click on that category on the right side. You see a variety of suggested offers you may advertise and see how much money you will make for each sale you make. Choose what do you want to promote, and then click Promote Now to get your affiliate links right away. You won't have to wait for approval because you can copy and share your affiliate link right away. You will get particular income every time someone clicks and take actions in the autopilot traffic I'm utilizing from that offer helps you deliver me dozens of targeted people. You can even go back and create a new campaign by simply typing in the campaign name and the area you want to target simply. Remember that it only requires one keyword to operate, and then click Start. You will be able to view the prospective clicks, and you will be able to earn money per person. If someone clicks on your referral link, not all of them will take action and not all of them will purchase from you. That's extremely difficult, but even if only a small portion of them does, it would still be extremely profitable. And this can work for any offer you want to promote in any niche you prefer, and it doesn't have to be from ClickBank or Digistore. You can also promote CPA offers from CPO, LeadMax, Bounty, and other affiliate networks. You may sign up at ultronvip.me, and as you can see from the beginnings, it's really simple process. Choose your niche, whether it's fitness and inspiration or motivation or whatever. You choose, enter the URL, and flip on the automation with a single click of a button. And that's it. A good number of people from all over the world have already had great success with this spot and earning great income, so I suggest you start now. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on.